Yung langka ko, yung ngiti ko, parang ano, laki-laki ng bunganga ko. Ay, tingnan mo guys, so yung langka ko na binalot, puputulin na ni nanay. Gagawin ng gulay. Tingnan mo guys, ayan, yan yung mga nabalot ngayon guys. Gawa ko yan. Gusto ko kasi ano, yung langka ko ay walang uod. At kapag mayroon kayong langka na inuuod, babalutin nyo lang siya ng sako guys, para maging okay. Yung nanay ko takot na takot sa butike. akala niya hinagisan ko siya ng butike, ay takot din ako sa butike, di ba? Yung nanay ko, ewan ko ba dyan, na paranoid din kakaisip ng butike na dumikit sa kanya. Ayun guys, tignan mo guys, ganito lang yung technique guys, babalutin nyo, parang ganito. Ito guys, ito yung pangalawang binalot ko, malaki na yan, tignan mo hanggang dito na hanggang dito na siya, ganyan. O di ba? Ano na yan, big na yan inside. Pero kailangan ko munang palakihin kasi gusto kong kumain ng hinog na jackfruit. Yun. Ang aking jackfruit, alam mo this is Mons plants. Our remembrance from Mons, kaya we don't need to cut it. Si Mons ang nagtanim noong year, 2012. Di ba? Astig, once this is your plants. There's a lot of jackfruits now because I pack inside the sacks. And after how many years the jackfruit is big like that. Ay, sorry. Like that na. Ayan na yung puno. Ito na yung pinakapuno. This is the branches of jackfruit tree, 'di ba? Ayan guys, ayan na siya. Big jackfruit na siya. Remembrance namin to kay Mons. He plant this together with Kuya Leo, my eldest brother. 'Di ba? Ayan na siya guys. Kaya ito yung jackfruit na ayokong I don't want to cut. Why? Kasi ala-ala to ni Mons. Imagine, si Mons after how many years, mayroon siyang puno ng jackfruit dito sa garden namin. Ito guys, yung garden namin ay, sa totoo lang, malawak yung garden ko. House is there in front, there, in the other side. The other side is my brother's houses, and then here in the middle we use for plants. We have a lots of what you call that, fruits tree. Yes, mayroon kaming kasoy, mayroon kaming jackfruit, mayroon kaming avocado. Alam mo, pag namunga yung avocado ko guys, ang dami. Imagine yung isang sako, isang puno lang yan ng avocado tree. We harvest last summer, and there's a lot of fruits. Honestly, there's a lot. And I think they didn't harvest all because they cannot yung alam mo yung panungkit to get the fruits. It's not long enough to harvest all, and then some of that is falling down to the river. And you know what guys, I'm happy that after how many years, since 2005, nanay plant different kind of fruits at inaani na namin. Honestly, we are happy that we harvest already. And it's good that you plant. After how many years, like what she said, after 5 years, maybe she can harvest it. And we did it. Honest guys, nung namunga yung rambutan, nag-enjoy ako. I'm enjoyed because imagine how many kilos I get, maybe 10 or 12. So many fruits. And I'm waiting that rambutan and lansunis come next year. Diba? Ayun lang guys. Thank you nga pala sa pagsusubaybay nyo ng buhay ko. Thank you so much sa pag-subscribe. Malaking tulong nyo yun sa akin guys. Kasi mayroon akong gustong gawin sa buhay noon pa na someday if I achieve what I want to achieve in life is I will help some. Yes. Ayun lang guys. God bless sa inyo. And And very thankful ako that you stay to my YouTube channels. God bless. Bye-bye.